young girl who, you know, obviously been training for at least 4 years, if not longer.
Wind's blowing.
And then she went to
after a fresh storm. We're up here on Bunker Road, going to intersect on Miller Road. Head down Miller Road. Just beautiful. Sun's not quite up. I just love these mornings like this. Seeing, because I'm experienced, I know you got to watch for the dogs here, because they're always out. People that live there. The dogs are always out running back and forth through here. I'm delivering the newspaper here in Vermont, Dummerston, Vermont.
But still, it's not like
there's the intersection of Miller Road and Greenhoe. And Greenhoe in the winter is a dead end. They don't plow straight through the Canoe Brook Road. And look at it. No dirt on this at all. And this is a hill straight down, 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 down. With my two-wheel drive, I don't even dare go down it. And when I do go down it, I do the ones on the way down. This one, I do them on the way back up, and I'm not even... See, still going down. Steep parts down here at the bottom, so you can't even get a running start. Because there's a, you know, there's a place to get a running start, but there's such a sharp corner right at the bottom of the steep part. You gotta let up to make the corner. Otherwise, you go straight off from the corner. See right down there, see? No money down. The guy who lives next door, he's the one that plows my thing out for me. He plows right here where I gotta turn. I'll show you if I get enough time here. He lives in that yellow house over here. My customer is this gray house. The tube's right there. He plows all this right here. I get in here, spin it around, see? Come right around. Perfect. Roll the window down. Snap the paper in. Check both ways, away I go. See, that's dead end out that way. And this is actually Canoe Brook Road I'm on now. Just this little 200 feet, but there's Greenhoe. Goes out that way. That's a dead end also. So I gotta make it back up this. See? This is steep. And that's a corner you gotta make it around. So many times I've been out here with two-wheel drive for emergency situations in a backup car or whatever. Oh, what do we got here? Guy's paper's out. He picked them up. This one's out from yesterday. I got a mess to clean up here. I gotta back up and get closer.
Smithtown, we're talking to Reverend Jonathan Mason. Yes, I will email situation. The idea
see that one and that one there you just missed, but those I usually do on the way down with this car, Rugy. Don't worry about it. It's a 1999 Forester I'm in right now. Rugy. R-O-U-G-G-Y, short for root buggy, because I'm on my roof, and it's like being in a buggy out here. Yeehaw!
On February to the hour, and you still got to buy the runway tickets. And then the My Pillow.
Miller Road, back on Miller Road. Still no salt, sand. I don't know what the hell the town is, but... I'm flying.
Talking about the Jimmy Fallon show, and he's talking to all the late-night hosts, and they show a graphic, and he mentions like 9 people: Conan, Stewart, Ferguson, Chelsea Handler, Colbert, etc., Letterman. He leaves out Arsenio Hall out of all these people. Oh, the black one. Yes, exactly right. And so, just to amend that, Brian Williams, on the air last night, apologized to Arsenio Hall. Take a listen.
It excluded Arsenio Hall's syndicated talk show. So chalk it up to being on
At whatever time in the morning they're on.
4 a.m.
Yeah, that's his excuse. Instead of just saying, I'm sorry, we screwed up, is, oh, we were tired and we forgot about you, Arsenio Hall. It's a very weak response.
If somebody should have gave him a black Russian, he would have been reminded.
Oh, very well done, Tony Powell. Downtown. Yeah, right there. From beyond the arc.
Big time out, Powell walks off.
And speaking of NBC...
Sun's starting to come up now.
You know, the Hollywood Reporter, he cried. They say Meredith Vieira actually discussed a miscarriage with with a female silver medalist. Of course, it would be a female. And a couple of other dead people. And
This is the Miller Farm.
Said that they have a formal tally of NBC segments focusing on dead relatives, and found the network was averaging 3 a day.
I used to deliver paper there, but I don't anymore.
And that's not the only disaster. Listen to Conan O'Brien last night talking about Matt Lauer doing an interview with him.
a great job covering the Sochi Olympics. He's really professional. But I'm worried that working around the clock, because man, has he been working hard, may have resulted in Matt dropping his guard on camera, as you can see from our new segment called Crazy Here, Michaela Shippen won a world championship at the tender age of 17. Now she's 18. Everybody talks about how young you are, but you are no novice. You are a force.
Thank you. Nice talking to you.
I'm on East-West Road now. This would be slippery with two-wheel drive. Even this is the main road going over to Route 30. This is where I sat, right there in that guy's driveway, backed right in there after doing this tube. I couldn't make it up around this corner. Oh, you see where someone went off right there. I couldn't make it up around this corner up this hill to the top. So I sat in this driveway for 2 hours waiting for this salt truck one night. No, about 6 weeks ago on a Saturday. I got it on tape anyway. This is the hill. Let's see what we got going on here. Somebody went off. Let's see what's going on here. Anybody's hurt. See if there's any sign of blood. Oh, data. They went off pretty good. Oh, data. Yeah. Oh, data. Here's my buddy. Yeah, this would be slippery with two-wheel drive with my car, man. I don't know. I don't know if I can make it out there. It almost feels like I got a flat tire. I gotta go out and check it. Might have to dig some snow out. Oh, but something ain't right back there. I hope I ain't got a flat.
You love fresh snow. This has definitely been your month. Any mountain sun, nothing around it for the time of year.
Well, just a little extra weight. You can see how the snow just packs right in there. And then at night, if I don't clean that out, this will get frozen because there's salt in there too. Freezes solid and rub my tire and actually stop my tire from turning. It did on my Impala. And this it hasn't because it's all-wheel drive, but my Impala would. Look at the back of it. Get this out from underneath there, see? Keep air flowing to your radiator. Oh, it's just so beautiful out here. Guy just broke down here in his truck, Ford pickup. He's plowing. It's a private plow contractor. Serpentine belt came off and it's wrapped around everything or something. He's out there with his knife trying to get off. He says he's all set though. Oh, it's in
Rebel
They carry her out of the elevator?
Yeah, dragged her out. Looked like she was unconscious.
And then what they're trying to do is everybody himself with her.
I gotta do this one on the way back down, right there.
On the face down. Here comes the security guard. Right.
This is the hill where I lost my brakes on my Impala that night, New Year's Eve. Going down this, right here, I lost my brakes. 100% lost them. I already had the back brake. Okay, I'm leaving Putney. Leaving Dummerston going to Putney. Let's see if there's a sand difference in the road. Oh, can you tell where the town line is? Whoa, what do we got here? As we back in, turn around. Oh, we got smooth sailing. That's what we got here, folks. Not that I needed it, as you can tell. I was having no. Still always nice to be on the sand. Yeah. Got a lot of snow this year. Still only February 20th. A lot of snow to go. Beautiful up here. There's a round top. I used to hunt up there on that round top. This one's a pain, yeah, so you get in it.